strong swing full day with the Fed interest rate hike. First, we have seen highs in gold and silver both achieving the highs. We have seen a sharper drop and still sustain the levels at 1630. This is the power of levels. Now, what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And look, we have warned our premium users in our Telegram channel that what to expect with Fed. We have enjoyed the ride on the upside, we have enjoyed the ride on the downside. Look at this, the screenshots are shared in the communities tab. Now let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels. Yes, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Now see, every candle has a meaning. Can you see this high and this high and this highs? And these lows and these lows. So if you consider the near term chart, you will find it is trying to still trade bullish here. It has taken the support at 1631. Previous the support was 1630, just $1 above, and now trying to reverse a little. So yes, for the day, if you see it trading, if you see gold trading below 1630, you can remain short. That is one part. Let's see into further details. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking upwards. It was oversold. The MACD is bearish here, trying to converge, and RSI is looking upwards from the oversold zone. At the same time, look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, higher lows are seen, and at the same time higher highs are also seen. So it is trying to trade within this channel. Now only below 1630 you should go short, and till the time it trades above 1630, that is what I have been reiterating since last few days, that till the time it trades above 1630, possibly we can see a up move. And now again the time has come. Yes, you can trade above 1640, you can buy above 1640, expect 1645 50 levels to be the first target, and then 5460 levels to be the next target. In fact, it can fly high on the upside till towards 1670, which is a very strong resistance. Directional movement bullish, stochastic oversold on the 2-hour charts, hence we may probably see a rise. The MACD is bearish here. RSI is trading comfortable, trading flat. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. You can find out it is showing you a green candle. This is a retracement here. Till the time it trades above 1630, I will not expect it to drop. Yes, the first target should be at around 1645 levels, and in fact beyond that we may see a very good rise. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is bearish here. It is crossed over again, it is divergent, and you have to be cautious because see, this is a retracement, this is not a reversal, this is a retracement. Till the time it trades below 1670, this should be considered a retracement. It can try to reverse because see, we have seen a sharp drop here. It may try to see the up move a little, and then from there the down move can possibly start if it is bearish at all. Though let's see, RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, likewise if you see higher highs, higher lows, expanding triangle, possibly looking at around 44-45 zone. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic oversold. The MACD has just crossed over on the 4-hour chart. This is still divergent. This is indicating bearishness, and RSI is looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. Most importantly, on the daily charts, you will find flat bottom and higher highs. Indicates that there is a very strong support at 1630 levels. We have been telling this so long. Any breach below 1630, consider this as a breakout, and consider that we are going to look forward to another round of good drop. And if you look at the directional movement, moderately bearish, stochastic is still oversold here on the daily charts. The MACD not indicative of anything, RSI trading flat. So considering this, today you can buy at 1640 levels. Expect 1644-45 first target, 1648-50 next target, and then 1664-65 levels are going to be there, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Now also on the daily chart, the resistance there at 1650-54 zone is very strong. This is the 20 period moving average, and look at how gold has traded. It has still got some scope for it to rise further. Till the time it trades above 1630, we can stay long here and we can expect it to rise. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Yes, it can again show you swing, but first resistance at 1644 and then at 1645. 1645 is again going to be a very strong resistance. Beyond that 1650 and 55 levels are there. Beyond that definitely you can expect 60, 65, 70. On the downside, sell at 1630 levels only. So in between 1630 and 1640, you should avoid taking any trade on gold. Below 1630, we can expect another round of bearish move. taking it for 1624, 1618, 1615 and 1608 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And yes, if let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. 16 batch starts on 7th of November. Only couple of seats are left. You can still book your seats. And I think we might be booking it today itself and closing the booking. So reach out to me for more details. Else become a part of my signals channel where you can just trade as per the signals and definitely you can become profitable. See as the phenomenal results we have pasted in last few days and last few weeks. You can see the results in the communities tab and definitely you can profit there too. Reach out to me for more details on training or trading. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver yesterday tried to breach below 1920, got the first support at 1910 itself and reversed since then. But look at the how it has performed on the early chart. See this lower highs here, lower lows here. The highs of this channel are now at around 1970, 1960 levels. 1960 is going to be a very strong resistance for silver. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is at high, trying to look downwards. MACD trying to converge here. It is trading in red and RSI trading flat. Now see 1940 first resistance and then 1945. If these two are taken, you can consider that we are going to potentially look at 1955 and 60 levels on silver here. So this is one observation. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Can you connect the dots here? 4 highs, 4 lows. So it is still very much trading in this bullish channel. See, this was the breakout. Then it is traded with the median at 1950. It is trying to show you swing 1910, 20 or $20 level. And it is trying to show you swing here. Hence, you have to remain cautious there. It is still very much in the bullish channel and it can again give a breakout. Any drop below $19, consider that as a bearish breakout. Directional movement, bullish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also story is almost same, higher highs, higher lows, failing to sustain below this channel's bottom. Now trying to reverse, hence you can buy at 1940. Expect 45, 55, 60 levels to be the first and stronger resistance at 1960. Beyond that, you can expect it to fly for 70 and 80, 19.8 or 1980 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit for $2,000 or $20 and beyond that. Plus is possible. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic trading oversold. MACD is bearish here. It may try to converge here. RSI flat. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. It is bearish on the 4-hour charts, but it is oversold too on the stochastic. The MACD is also on the sell. It can try to converge here. RSI is trading flat. Now look at the daily charts on silver and you will find. But on the daily charts, interestingly, it is waiting for a breakout because see, this is a rising wedge and probably breaking below $19. Certainly you can expect 1880 and then below that 1800 levels to be the target there on the downside. So on the daily charts, the story is different. See, after the rise, it has seen a good drop, flat bottom, got the support at $18. Now trying to rise. A breakout above $20 certainly should be considered as an extremely bullish indication for silver, where you can expect $21, $22 and beyond that is also possible. Now at the same time, now it is almost trading at the border here, trading below $19. You can expect that we are looking forward to another round of fall, another round of drop, which might take silver at around $18 and below levels. So be cautious and yes, buy above 1940 till 1960. Do not consider, rather I will say till 1980, do not consider this as a bullish reversal. This should be considered for a retracement. Achieving these levels, it can again reverse for a sell entry. Be cautious. So on the daily charts, we have seen this as a stronger support and it is still in the rising wedge and probably the breakout is yet to be awaited. The pivot here is also $19.50 or $19.5 and hence you have to stay cautious here. It is still the time it trades above $19. Certainly you can expect bullishness there. Below $19 you can expect another round of good fall like this. You can expect it to come back to $18 levels and breaking below 18. Certainly more bullishness to be seen, as we have already seen See, it has got the good support here, but at the same time it is also showing you higher lows here. The bottom there is at 1840, 1850 levels, which is going to provide the next strongest support. So today for the day, sell at 1920 and expect it to drop for 1910, $19, 1880 and 1850 levels. On the upside, you can buy it at 1940, expect it to rise further till towards 1960, 1980, and when you know there are stronger resistance on the upside, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit, and hence take your trades accordingly. Yes, if you want to learn this art, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, just trade as per my signals and be profitable, or learn the art of reading the charts and do it on your own, become a professional and profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.